Bible verse. Yes. Okay. Go to searching the term search. Isaiah 26 verse 4. Read the full chapter. Let's scroll down to see what's down there. And over here. Take one go. The path of the righteous is level. You, the upright one, make the way of the righteous smooth. Yes, Lord, walking in the way of your laws. We wait for you. Your name and renown are the desire of our hearts. My soul yearns for you in the night. In the morning, my spirit longs for you. When your judgments come upon the earth, the people of the world learn righteousness. But when grace is shown to the wicked, they do not learn righteousness. Even in the land of uprightness, they go on doing evil and do not regard the majesty of the Lord. Lord, your hand is to die, but they do not see it. Let them see you zeal for your people and be put to shame. Let the fire reserved for your enemies consume them. Lord, you establish peace for us. All that we have accomplished, you have done for us. Lord, dear God, all the lords beside you have ruled over us. But your name alone do we honor. They are now that they need no more. Their spirits do not rise. You punished them and brought them to ruin. You wiped out all memory of them. You have enlarged the nation, Lord. You have enlarged the nation. You have given glory for yourself. You extended all the borders of the land. Lord, they came to you in their distress when you disciplined them. As they could barely whisper a prayer, as a pregnant woman about to give birth, writes and cries out in her pain. So where are we in your presence, Lord? We were with child, we waited with labor, but we gave birth to wind. We have not brought salvation to the earth. The people of the world have not come to us. Till dead will we live, the bodies will rise. Save those who dwell in the dust. Wake up and shout for joy. For those at the dew of the morning, that the earth will give birth to our dead. Go, my people, enter rooms and shut the doors behind you. Hide yourselves for a little while until his wrath has passed by. See, the Lord is coming out of this valley to punish the people of the earth for their sins. The earth will disclose the bloodshed on it. The earth will conceal its sin no longer.